Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another proper tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And we are live, y'all. Greetings from Oak Point, Texas, at Toll Brothers. This is a brand new model that they just got done building. And we are going to stroll on inside. Super excited to show this one to y'all. And we are going to get started. And as always, please smash that subscribe button and throw me that thumbs up so we can inform others on the hot Texas real estate market. And if you're interested in relocating to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com. That's ALEX, P as in Peter, Maloney, MALONEY. Last name is like Post Malone, but with a Y at the end, so Maloney. Or fill out an inquiry form in the description below, and one of my team members or myself will be with you as soon as we can. And if you don't already, please give me that follow on Instagram or TikTok, America's_Realtor. I would love to have you aboard my ship. And let's get into the specs on this one. So as I was mentioning, it is Oak Point, Texas. Oak Point is right by Little Elm, if those of you that are familiar with the Metroplex know where that is. This is a brand new neighborhood called Windsor Springs. And there's only, probably like 10 homes built in this neighborhood, so it's brand new. The address is 1204 Live Oak Lane, Oak Point, Texas, 75068. And reach out to me if you'd like to schedule a tour, and I'd be happy to meet you at the property. And the outside of this home is a very modern farmhouse feel. That's what the feel they were going for. And I think personally they absolutely knocked it out of the park. The kitchen is absolutely stunning with an open floor plan and stainless steel appliances. This house is absolutely perfect for entertaining. And let's get into the beds, baths, and square feet, because everybody asked me that question. And I'll get to the starting price as well. So this model is 5 beds, 6 baths, 5,599 square feet. So it's very large and in charge. Fully decked out. The starting price is $1,039,995. So that is $1,039,995. And it is Denton County. I get that question sometimes as well for tax purposes. And if you use their preferred lender to buy one of their homes or build, they are giving an incentive of $10,000 with Toll Brothers Mortgage. So I definitely recommend using them if you want to help buy down that interest rate or help with some closing costs. We are strolling right along. Right here, we got French doors coming into fully custom office. Built-ins, tons and tons of cabinet space, built-in speakers, laundry room, and again tons of cabinet space here that extend up to the ceiling. Got a sink as well, and we got a coat closet, and into the master suite. This one's beautiful. Love this. Tons of natural light coming in too. Overlooks the pool out there, which we'll get to here in a little bit. And coming into the master bath. Garden tub, separate vanities, dual mirrors, and we have a phenomenal stand-up shower with a rainfall shower head, dual shower heads on each side, and a shower niche. And that is locked, but as you can see, it is a closet and a walk-in closet. Look how long this is. There we go. You can indeed land a plane in here. I do not recommend it. After closing, you can choose to do so yourself if you feel comfortable. Only if you have that pilot's license. And let's head upstairs. Look at this view. Phenomenal. Catwalk, tons of windows throughout. Game room. And we have the media room. I thought that was another room right there, y'all, but that is a mirror. I thought it literally went through. So definitely good vibes. Nothing but good vibes here. Do not walk through that mirror. That is not another room. And we got the secondary bedrooms with en-suites and walk-in closets. And I'm about to cue the music, let y'all sit back and relax and enjoy this property tour in Oak Point, Texas. If you ever need to contact me, please email me at alexpmaloney.com or alexmaloney@compass.com, or shoot me a call or text at 817-716-9412, and I would love to work with you find your next home or sell your next home. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Make sure you stay tuned for this beautiful pool outside. It is absolutely stunning. They did a knockout job. Fully decked it out. Y'all are going to be very excited if you wait till the end. Cue the music.
What